Yippee! I think the stream is going. Let's see. Channel dashboard. Look at that. You can see my incredible performance with the last one. Oh, look at that. That's me right now. How do I get a shareable link? Let's throw this in the old Discord. You can see there's already some consternation, some aggravation. What do I put this as? Game dev stream. Oh, Bazinga. Let me just put that there. How? I'm not equipped for this. Much to consider. Let me just open up Godot real quick. I think I'm like, I don't know if I'm using the correct version of it or not. Let's create a new project. I'm just going to put you guys in the Shadow Realm for a little bit here. I'm just going to call this July 2025 Stop Killing Games Jam. Okay. Let's do that. Select current folder. Oh god, I'm going to sneeze. How do I mute my mic? Alright, cool. Glad there was no sound for that, so we are safe. So, yeah, Stop Killing Games Jam. That'll be the project name for now, or, oh hey, you can see that I attempted a game jam a little bit earlier. Didn't quite pan out. New folder. Stop Killing Games Jam, July 2025. So I had an idea while I was showering about this. It doesn't make any sense. I was thinking about this while in the shower, and I think I might make a cowboy game. What's the... First off, we're going to move Blue Sky over here. We're going to close out of this. Oh, I'm being blinded. I want to share this on the old Blue Ski. Okay, Tangy. Yeah, I'm live already. I went to the yard sale. I bought a yo-yo, and then I showered. You can see my hair is wet. And then you on that pirate software streaming grind? I see. Yeah. So here's my I was thinking about this. So what's the theme again? Limited lifetime. So code outline. Main idea. Aging cowboy. Start off as a cowboy. No, not cowboy. Technically gunslinger. Is a young gunslinger with fast and inaccurate movements, but as you age, you get slower and more accurate. Eventually, your renown, coupled with your lowered mobility, will inevitably spell your doom. So what we need, what I want, is in components, I want WASD controlled aiming. I know that's sick and freakish. I also spelled components wrong. Space bar to fire gun. Movement speed decreases as age increases. And this would just be like each round your age would go up, I think, is the idea here. Movement speed decreases as age increases. Reticule gets larger. No. Yeah, reticule gets larger as age goes up. Targets. Each opponent will have a number of vital points to shoot in order to eliminate them. Your pizza arrived, you're back? Sweet. Oh, let's see. Early rounds will have fewer vital points to hit, or distance between vital points is smaller. Potentially have more targets as rounds continue. Yeah, but I don't want it to be like it's literally going to be basically just WASD and spacebar, and the screen will remain static. You're not going to be moving around. I'd like for like a third of the screen to just be like your hand reaching for a gun, and then the other 2/3 are going to be the people that you're aiming at, if that makes sense. Let's see. So I'm gonna need transition between rounds. Successful round. Age increases. Ammo refills. Aim speed goes down. Reticule gets larger. Old enemies swap out. New enemy swaps in. Dramatic stare down animation plays. Countdown to start next duel. It's like one of those arcade games with a gun controller. Yeah, that's kind of my thinking. On unsuccessful round, save high score. This is kind of a stretch goal. Reset variables. I will never forget this collab betrayal arc. I never said you were going to collab with anybody, and I can't believe Tangy betrayed you and said there was going to be. I might bug you, Axie, for help with this. Because I like the idea that I'm cooking up right now. Send back to main menu. Artwork. Gunslinger hand reaching for gun will occupy 1/3 screen. I can't spell screen apparently. That was a little freaky. I remember last time we had talked about a collab, so I thought that this was the case this time, but I assumed. Oh, no, not the assumption. Do you guys need some music? By the way? Oh, don't look at that. Don't look at that. Artwork, good. Ridicule art? Want to actually have that invisible. Target artwork. Vital point art. Those can probably, the vital points can probably just be little blobbies. That doesn't matter too much, is my thinking. All right. So can you listen to music on YouTube? If you're streaming on YouTube, is that allowed? I'm a little scared, actually. Anyway, I'm gonna title this, you know, only the good die young, only the best die last. That's what I'm calling it. That's gonna be our operating title for now. I don't know if that's already been used. Make sure the art is AAA Unreal Engine tier. Oh boy, they will kill you. Uh-oh. It's not looking good, gang. Only the best die last. Create this badass thing. Well, AJ, it's more like if you can't land your shots, the game just ends. I'm gonna keep it super basic here. Keep it incredibly basic. So, greetings, Emma.
Greetings.
Greetings. I'm gonna make my favorite node, or favorite scene, main menu. What if the sound was also slowly getting muffled just for some extra flair? Ooh! Okay, Wojtek. I'm writing that down. Thanks for the collaboration. Very badass. Very cool. I'll write that down. Yeah, I forgot about audio. Gunshot sounds. Cool whoosh when duel begins. Muffle. Hold on. Muffle gunshot sound when older. Are you sure life can continue for DJ? No, she's just doing her own laundry. I gotta do my laundry probably tomorrow. Tangy, what's your game, by the way? Did I need to make main menu? Dude, I'm panicking already. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking the freak out. Actually, no. Let's just call this duel scene. I want to work on this first. What is it? Player. Dude, I have not done actual character 2D, character 3D, character body 2D. There we go. There we go. Then I need to give you a, what's the thing? It needs a collision body. Collision shape, yeah. Oh man, I've been doing my old man stuff for so long. Collision shape. Blech. And like a circle. Oh boy. A time-limited roguelike. Okay. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. One-way collision. I don't even know what that means. Texture. Material. Collision shape. Oh, I have to give it a sprite. That's what I'm thinking of. Sprite. 2D. You spent so long making spreadsheets. I really have. Gradient texture 2D. Hey, by the way, Emma, Raspberry's right outside the door. Did you hear me? Oh god, Raspberry's gonna get in the... hold on, I'm gonna kick Raspberry out. Give me a second here, guys. I'm gonna get you. Ah! Ow! Oh no! Hey, no! No! I think Emma's got her AirPods in. No, there's exposed wire in there, and I don't want her to chew on it and die. Which is probably what she would do. Okay. Let's see. Do I remember how to... Oh, and I need camera. Oh, I gotta be able to see. What an absurd location for this camera. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Let me just get you right here. Splendid. And then let's put the character right there. See, you're there, you're there, you're there. Cool. Reticule control. Yippee! Look at this. Oh boy. Oh, it's been a minute. Let's see. Well, anything? No main scene. Yeah, select current. Who cares? Dual scene. Wait, hold on. Hey, Emma. Did you hear anything I said earlier?
No.
Raspberry was right outside the door, so I had to go up and throw her out and then close the
I shut that
basement door. Well, no, you didn't, because she opened it.
Okay.
You got a latch.
And she broke it.
Just want to let you know. I couldn't tell if you couldn't hear me or not, so I just went and did it.
I've got a YouTube video in right now.
She's got her earbuds in. All right. Goodbye, Emma.
Bye.
Okay. Let's see. What did I want to do? Collision. Oh, I never did this. Silly me. Dude, it's been so long since I did anything meaningful in Godot. Not the shape I would expect from my circular creation here. How unusual. How curious. Oh, hi, Raspberry. Hello. How do I get rid of this? Clear that. I'm bored. I'm gonna make the, or not, I'm bored. I'm just gonna make the reticule real quickly, like. good. Good. It does not. No, this does not need to be like this. File, new. Let's go like. I have no templates in GIMP apparently. Let's go with 100 by 100. How about that? I didn't mean to say I'm bored. I meant more, I don't want to have a bunch of placeholder thingies in the way. Okay, this is going to be the bestest aiming thing ever. It's going to be very technical. What I'm doing is very smart, but very dangerous. Remember, graphic design is my passion, so... Actually, let's just delete that, too. This is probably going to take most of today to do. That seems too close. Still. Ooh, that's not what I meant to do. Trim that a little bit. Just a little bit more. I did not double check how much I did. One, two, three. Two entire pixels. Okay. Okay, so Tangy, you're gonna make a whole ass roguelike? Did I hear that correctly? I gotta rotate this. Oh! Not the right button. Can you just... 90. There we go. He's gonna make a whole ass roguelike. That's exciting. So, how do I get you in the middle here? Do I eyeball this, or do I try to actually get it in the middle? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No. Okay. Woohoo! Now I need to draw a circle around this? Or do I? Oh, that hurts my eyes. Does that hurt your guys' eyes? A single cheek roguelike. Let me export this as... Game dev. This. I'll name it Sprite, so I remember. It's a real heads-up move. A lot of you guys probably aren't even familiar with that sort of thing. Hold on. Where did I just... Where did I just save that? What the hell did I name this? Okay. Oh, oops. You're supposed to be in there. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, where's the texture? Is it nearest? Is that how you do it? There we go. And then collision shape. Ooh. Okay. Okay. If I hit start, what happens? I like that it has gravity. Oh. Floating? Is that what we want? Sets the motion mode, which defines the behavior of move and slide grounded. Apply when notions of walls, ceilings, and floors are relevant. Apply when there's no notion of floor or ceiling. All collisions will be reported as on the wall. Okay. Collision. We don't need collision, I think. We'll see. Yeah, it's been a hot minute since I fiddled with this. Oh, and I don't have my... didn't have control over my YouTube stream. If it is not on floor, get gravity. I'm pretty sure this is the thing making me fall, right? Oops! Okay. Nifty. I hate the... Oh, God. Project settings, input map. UI accept and is on floor. Are these built in to Godot? Or no, that's not what I wanted to see. UI accept. I hate the pre-built stuff. I don't want the gravity. Our direction is input.getAxis. Axis input by specifying two actions, one negative, one positive. This is shorthand for writing input.getAction strength, positive action, input.action strength, negative action. Well, there's no jumping. We can just get rid of that. We're going to ditch that. So, don't you worry. There's actually going to be nothing you can do in this game. Direction times speed. I wonder if I can... Axis input. This is different from what I remember. You know what? I'm going to do a little cheating here. Be a little cheaty face. How did I do... Hold on. Let me just save in here first. How did I do this with... oh, wait, no. You're supposed to do your own Where is it? Let's double check. Hate or controversy, okay. Okay, I'm gonna look back at how I did this. Not like this though. How do I hop this open? My old ancient code from a year ago. Do not look at this. This is probably horrible. If input is action pressed, move up. Yeah. You're not allowed to. Yeah, I was just trying to remember how I did this in the past, because this looks a little different from what it's telling me here. So, it's been a hot minute. Player speed, that's pretty similar. Velocity equals vector. Oh yeah, vector. Do I use player speed anywhere? Else, oh, okay, yeah. Vector length is greater than, yeah, I'd rather, I mean, it's gonna look like absolute ass, but add new, oh, show built-in actions. Well, well, well. What do we have here? Oh, I could use the built-in stuff. UI up, UI down. UI select is spacebar. Okay. You should code it in a deeper voice. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I've never used this before in my life. Am I stupid? Let me color. So basically this is me. And this is my computer. And I want to get ideas from my brain into the computer, which is all ones and zeros. At the end of the day, it's all ones and zeros. Actually, this is all plugging into my monitor over here, so actually you guys don't see it, but those strings actually continue on there. So this is basically what's going on in my head right now. Does that clear things up? Stream is very quiet. Yeah, how do I sound? I sure hope I sound good. If direction velocity.x equals speed. Christ. Yeah, this is cringe. I'm gonna equals input.get access UI. You should replace the UI actions with custom gameplay. Okay, I'm just gonna. What if I just completely copied all that though? Yeah. Then move and slide away from me. Get those letters out of my face. Yeah, how did I do it in the past? I'm just literally gonna copy my my old controls. Don't show me the built-in actions. New action. Move up. Add. How do you do that? W. Or if you really want, physical key code position. Splendid. Add new action. Move down. Boom. Boom. You guys learning anything yet? He's full after one bite. Okay, fine. You know what? I will close this. I'm going to remember how to do 2D games with my brain. Move right. Watch this. I'm going to show just how good you can make a game despite being dumb. It's going to be badass. Move left. Add. Boom. Boom. Add action. Shoot. Boom. Grok, how do you make game? Where's the make game button? How do I do that? Okay, actually though, let me just let me just look at what we got here. What are we working with here? So get rid of this. We don't need to know how to jump or that. Get axis. Actually move right and move left. Freaking epic. Ho ho ho. What I really don't get is if direction. What if I did hold on. Oh my god. Show me that input shit again. Let me just do some reading here. All those developers are so lazy. I got ChatGPT to make me GTA 6 in a week. Whee! Working on 2 axes and not spending months trying to make your movement work. I don't think you spent months doing anything. So let me just make sure first off. Okay, so I've got them swapped. Direction times speed. Get axis. Hold on. How does this work? So let's get a little silly here. I'm too lazy to retype that. Let's just make sure it works, gang. Let's make sure it works. Okay. Okay, cool. I still don't like that. I spent hours over the course of months. Oh my god. So I like that. What if I did... I can't just keep going, right? I can't... var... Wait, hold on. Var horizontal direction. Let's just get crazy here. Let's make this look stupid. Let's do var vertical direction equals input dot get axis. Move up. Move down. So I kind of told myself I'd lock in on painting today. Oh, man. Here we go. He's not doing the game jam. He is not going to do it. If vertical direction velocity dot y equals vertical direction times speed. Else velocity dot y equals move toward. I'm doing this without knowing what any of these buttons mean. Wahoo! Velocity dot y 0 speed. We're doing this quick and dirty. Let's see if I did it right. Oh, sick. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I can only move diagonally? Oh, brother. This isn't what we want. And then if I comment this out, I believe the reticule just goes flying, right? I believe that's what happens. Ah! I'm only diagonal! I'm a DVD player! A screensaver thingy! Ah! Oh, this is kind of fun too, though. I like this. So I do... Oh, no. Oh, this is weird. I don't like... this is... I think I'm just gonna redo the... I'm gonna redo stuff, but... Okay. Else, velocity equals 0, 0. What about that? What does that do? See, y equals 0. What if I do this? Oh, okay. Well, let's see if that works. It'd be very funny. Oh. I don't like this get axis shit. Get out of my face. Be gone! Alright, and we don't need velocity. This is your game now. You need to stay in the border. Yeah. And the border shrinks over time. Coding through intuition. Yeah. All right. Velocity. god, I don't remember how to do. Was it action just input? Dude, oh my god, I haven't done this shit in so long. Or was it action pressed? I'm freaking out, man. Been 10 billion years. Is Mullet doing the game jam too? Do we know that? There's action pressed, and I want to say there's action just pressed. Is action pressed? Hold on. Action pressed may return false even if one of the action's keys is pressed. Okay, let's learn some more. If event is put event key. Okay. Let's see if input, what the fuck did it just say? Good lord, I have the memory and focus of a goldfish. If is action pressed. Move up. Velocity.y. Oh boy. Really want to look at that old code that I did a while ago. How did I do this? I knew this at one point. If input is action just pressed velocity.y, and it is minus equals 1. Sounds a little suspicious. Right. Where's the funny part where this all happens? Velocity dot normalized. Oh boy. I was doing some real wizardry here. Oh, position dot, yeah, that's the important part, isn't it? Wish I could spell. Is that how it works? Whee! Oh no! No! Sweet. Oh, fuck. Move down. Oh, whoops. Oopsie. Oh, jeez. Yeah, let's see. Whee! Slow down there. Ooh. Okay, cool. Okay. If input dot is action pressed, move left, velocity dot x minus equals 1. If input dot is action pressed, move right, velocity dot x plus equals 1. Whee! There we go. It's just it likes to wander a bit. Oh boy. Okay, fun. I like that. I'll obviously have to make it not suck horribly. Yeah, how did I used to do this? I used to like religiously comment too. Where did I use player speed ever? Velocity.length is greater. So if sprinting is true, else if velocity.length normalize. What does normalizing do? Normalize sets velocity to 1, which stops diagonal movement from causing higher velocity. Oh, I wonder. I should perhaps have this list then update. Okay, hold on. Speed? Does that change it? There we go. Woohoo! This is what I want. Kind of. It's a little... It's not as snappy as I want it to be. I guess that's more a consequence of tying it to WASD. Yeah, I mean, I think that's what I want. Let me just to play around a little bit here. What if Hold on, let me go to my code outline here. Reticule art, done. Step 1 is complete. And we've kind of got this. So next, I would like to make... do I just call it this? Let me target, just call it that. Let's make this thing 300 and then 500 tall. I don't know. Oh, oops. Oops. Here we go. Sorry, when I'm hitting numbers on my keyboard, sometimes that means something. Okay, this is going to be really quick and dirty, because this is not going to be like a serious guy. It's got a big old pistol here, though. Gonna have to be careful. Actually, let's go a little darker. Nice. Alright, export. Target. Alright, I'm looking at the code. Don't need it. Sprite 2D. Perfect. Splendid. And then what do I want to make here? Collision shape 2D. Or is it? Or do I need area? I think I need area 2D. Yeah. I think I need area. And then new back to 100. Make the vital points. Oop. Would be a good vital point color, do you think? Yellow? Let's see, export as point. Kind of just flying by the seat of my pants here. Gonna recommend me collision shape. It's no shape. Okay. Fuck me, I should have just made a collision shape then. What the hell? Whatever. Get real. That was weird. Perfect. Area 2D, so we call this vital point. Honestly, hold on. Yeah, I'm just saving you as a scene. So let's move vital point over here, right where he's holding the gun. Say this is enemy target. I'm not going to organize my files because I'm too lazy. So we'll put a vital point there, put a vital point here, and we'll make it larger. Obviously, because it's like his whole head. Okay. Eek. Look, our vile opponent is here. Okay. Just gonna make another new thing here. Width. Let's do 600. Oops! I teleported you guys for a second to a different realm. Only original jam heads know about that place. Why is this so dark? Oh. Okay. God, I wish I didn't suck at making circles. Is that the same distance? Probably. Working on the ammo display here. Probably didn't need to make the image that large, but whatever. Ammo display. Oh, I forgot. Okay, there we go. Please let me move this. Okay. Does any of this shit like randomly fall out of the sky when I'm doing this? Okay, cool. Slight problem. You need to be here? Okay, good. Okay, cool. So I could be oh god. I could be like good at designing things, and I could hold on. I'm gonna be a little cheaty face here. We're gonna move this way over here so you guys can't see it. This gonna be a separate window. What do bullets look like? Because what I want to do is just every time you shoot, I want one of the bullets to go away. And I feel like that would be a fun little thing to have in there. If I wanted to be really funny, I would make... Oh my god, I think I'm going to do it. This is going to be dumb. This is going to be not good. Just a placeholder graphic, guys, don't worry. Just a placeholder graphic. If this ends up looking like something illicit, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try to avoid that. How do you make something look like a bullet that's facing you? Bullet viewed from top. Viewed from head? Yeah, I think this might be the best we're gonna get here. So then I copy you. I'll just delete all these because I don't want to go through that whole dealio. Okay, 3 pixels apart. Copy, paste. Please tell me you're lined up. Okay, cool. If Axie saw what I was doing right now, he'd probably be rolling in his grave. So actually, export as ammo 6. And then I deviously evilly just remove a bullet and save it as, oh, god damn it, dude. I'll just save them as separate thingies, and then when you fire the gun, the ammo count will change, and then it'll just update to be a different thing. So ammo 5. I could probably get really fancy, but I'm trying to get this done quickly and without me breaking anything. So this is ammo 4. Ammo 3. Really should put on some music. I'm Googling this before I continue. Can you listen to music while streaming on YouTube? What's the guidelines here? Use application audio outputs instead of source audio. Okay, no. Oh my god, this person's asking about, like, is it actually physically possible? Dude. Whatever. We continue on. Also, what time is it? Oh, God. Well, actually, no, I shouldn't say, oh, God. We're gonna go out to dinner at, like, 5? So I got time. Alright, ammo 1. And finally, we shall do, and I think I already have this in the game files, but I'm gonna save it again as ammo empty, or ammo 0. Wahoo! So then, I gotta do signals now. Oh no. Variable ammo count. Let's just say it equals 6. Oh God. I don't know if it matters if this is put in physics process. Let's see, if input dot is action pressed, shoot. I gotta review signals. Because every time I try to futz with signals, I forget. How's the Godot mines going? Oh, I've got my basic vision going here. I've got an enemy target here with 2 vital points, and I'm going to try and I'm going to try to just get a basic setup so that I can double check that it's registering hits and that it will tick down the ammo. Graphic design is my passion. I made that joke already. If you're a dedicated fan, you would know that. But right now I'm relearning signals. Yeah, so signal shoot. Capitalizing that because I like things capitalized. Signal dot emit signal shoot. Does this work? It should be string name, but it is signal. It's signal. I didn't know I made the joke already. I was making a freaking epic reference. Oh. How's the brainstorming going, by the way? Okay. On character body 2D shoot. Ammo count minus equals 1. Then, oh boy. If ammo count equals 5, ammo display dot, oh. Damn it. Ammo display. Also, you need to be a different sprite. Ammo display dot texture. Oh, brother. How do I change textures? Set texture to... Ooh. Set texture. Ooh, that's probably not correct on how you do that. Ammo display. Let's test that. Oops. Set texture. That's not how you do that. Wait. I might be overthinking this, actually. Ammo display dot texture. I don't think that's how it works either. No. Silly me. So instead of just doing a basic time limit, you boring, I'm going to have a constant health drain. This also reflects the limited life theme. That was what my initial thought was. I wanted to do a game where you're in a hospital and you are just trying to suck up the life force of everybody else stuck there. Changing textures via code Godot. So texture property, you can't assign it text like you wrote. You should load the texture from the path instead, because then the load will return the proper texture. This what I'm supposed to do? Hey, there we go. Splendid. Print. Bang. Bang. But whoa. Hold on. Is action just pressed? Let's try that. Bang. Okay, cool. Sweet. So then go back here. Ammo count equals 4. Oh, you get the gist. Hold on. Let me just get real lazy here. Four, 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. And actually, let's do this. Bang. 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 If ammo count less than 0. Print. No more bullets. Let's see if it works how I want it to. No more bullets. Nice. Pro stealing the life of those around you, yeah. It's like Bloodborne in that way, eh? Holy crap, he's halfway there. I don't know if I would say that. Let's see. I gotta... Are you joining the game jam? Bug and Mullet here. Oh, and the Godot Wild Jam just dropped their theme. The theme is Consume. Oh, goody. Delicious. I am still in a Discord call. Get me out. He's gonna be done today. Holy crap, Lois. So now I need to register when a vital point is shot. So can I connect to multiple thingies? Hold on. I gotta use the bathroom. You guys just think about the vision here. Think about the vision, how good this will be when it's done. Because right now it definitely is not looking great. But this is the first day. It'll look badass. Guys, it is so humid up there. It's unbearably humid. So I did some thinking while I was pissing, and I think I've got something cooked up, but first... Okay. Perfect. Let's export this as an MP3 real quick. Oh yeah, dude, I'm not gonna save the project before closing either. Okay, how did I, God, what is the... I've really forgotten everything. I see. Okay. It's not just... No. Remember how you weren't sure about doing this a few hours ago? Doing what? The game jam? Oh, yeah. Yeah. View audio stream. Do I remember how this shit works? Sound.play. And don't let me forget the funny thing here. Oh, that's this is incredibly sloppy. I am not proud of how I'm doing this. I did. Oh, that's fun. An open world cowboy RPG on my desk by tomorrow. Oh boy. I don't know about that. Yeah, I'll try to make better graphics. I think my goal for tonight, before I hop off of here, is I need to get a system for registering the hits, and also making the vital points visible. This is visible on. It draws behind its parent. Red Dead Redemption 2. I literally almost read that as R2D2. Yeah, I don't know. I think there's just no point in trying when Red Dead Redemption 2 is out there and it looks that good and it is that good. I don't know. Seems pretty damn good. Visibility. These should be visible. I would like to think. Why aren't they? Sorry, run this scene. They are. So, I think I know the problem. Oh, that's enemy. Oh, whoops. Don't do that. There we go. There we go. He's got the thingies on him now. I was just using an old version of him. Scale him. Scale him down a bit. Here we go. So, create. I wonder how you can check where the player body is when the button is pressed. Like if you can check if it's inside something. I don't know if that sentence made any sense really. Middle point. So the enemy target does not have a script on it. The vital points do. Okay, let's name this Ridicule. Yeah, see, game dev is not... I don't think it is very sexy to watch. I don't think this is something that... this part is very exciting. Ooh, hold on. Get overlapping bodies. Or has overlapping areas or bodies. Returns true of intersecting any physics body 2Ds or tile maps. Okay. For performance reasons... I feel like Pirate Software and Stream Dish... Hey, the point of this game jam is not to... The focus should not be on drama, okay? That's what they said. So... The given physics body... Okay. Let me just close... Let me close Paint. That's distracting me. Where's my snipping tool? Ignore that. Has overlapping... intersecting any the given area 2D or body 2D. I think this is what we're looking for. Just throw that off to the side. That's how I cheat and have little notes off to the side. Okay, so if input dot action is just pressed. Is that the right thingy? No, it's... Oh my god. Is that... Or is it... Hold on. Is action just pressed? There we go. Don't need you there. Shoot. If self dot overlaps body the result of this test is not immediate after moving objects. For example, list of overlaps is updated once per frame and before the physics step. Consider using signals instead. Oh. If self dot overlaps body. Is this how I do it? Ridicule? No. No. Now see, the pain of this is I'm making vital points their own little thingy here, and they need to know how to detect the reticule. I guess I could Could return if there's any inner or any overlapping bodies at all. Yeah, hold on. Because that would be the only has overlapping bodies. Okay, let me just snatch that. If has overlapping bodies, signal hit. Are we doing signals again? It's just really quick. Emit underscore signal. And then I have to specify connecting signals via code. Godot. Here we go again. Let me just find connect. Connects a signal by name to a callable. I don't remember how to do this. Okay, connecting a signal via code. Here we go. Signal, blah, 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 blah. This is necessary when you create nodes or instantiate scenes inside of a script. This is a different node here. Blah, blah, blah. Call the connect method on the timer's timeout signal. Get node timer. So var, let's see, var dual scene equals get node. Is it just called that? Yeah. Let's see, copy node path. Oops. It's not correct. Okay, so do that. So dual scene dot hit.connect. Am I stupid here? We connect the timer's timeout signal to the node which the script is attached. Because one time I was doing this and I did it reversed and I nearly screamed. I nearly scrammed. Timer emits timeout. We want to call the function on timer timeout that we need to define. So get node timer. Timer.timeout connect. So you're referring to a different. Okay, so yeah, I am correct here in thinking I have to. Oh man. It's not the, okay, cool. This is what I want, kind of. Emit.signal. And then I want to just connect this to I want to connect this to the other one. I think I'm just going to look at some more of my old code because I did this. I've done this before. It's just been a hot minute. I think the GURPS one may have... This is ancient. This is very old. There's some old shit going on here. Oh my god. Site pressed. So we emit that. Oh man. Oh god. Where are all the funny signals at? Okay, so st minus dot emit. Oh. Oh, but I don't think I set this up to do this via code, did I? No, because these are all, I might have to look at my big boy project. effect appearing anywhere? No. Maybe I didn't do it for this either. What the hell did I use for connecting signals via code? Emit signal. I'm just gonna throw this over here. Spinning my tires. Hit. Can I do that? Can I just... Oh, where'd that go? I don't think it works that way. Man struggles to do the most basic thing here. Emit hit. You know what? I could probably have hit delete the vital area and then the hit signal. I don't know. Could either decrease HP or... Yeah, I'm not sure. And I keep forgetting enemy target doesn't have any script attached to it. So... signal. Oh God. She drives me crazy. Button down dot connect on button down signal dot connect again. So we were just looking at that and then it disappeared on me. Alright, gang. I think I'm gonna just end the stream since it's pretty quiet and I need to dig through my old code, and I don't think that's gonna be exciting for anybody. But I'll try to do some more of this later on in the week so that we can regularly check in. But right now it's gonna be a lot of me just sitting here going, how did I do this 8 months ago? So I will see you guys later.